Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can mask texts on CapCut PC. I'm going to add in this default text right here, and I'm just going to type in the word love. You can type in anything you want. This is just what I had in mind. I'm going to color it pink. Whoa. Actually, I'm just going to copy and paste that, like a lot. On this one, I'm going to color it white, and then this one pink. This one is like darker pink. Maybe this. I actually want this one to be this color pink. And this one can be this. Okay. I'm just going to add that there so that I can do that. Then this one is this one did I use? And this one is that one. Okay. Then I'm going to right click, create compound clip on them separately. And I'm going to just mask it one by one. Go to video, go to mask, and select any shape you want. I'm just going to select this heart shape. It won't show that much. But you can kind of still see it. If you want, you can just copy and paste more if you want more hearts to show. But make sure you place it like underneath. Like here, for instance, there isn't any more text to mask. So I'm just going to select these three. I'm just going to paste it here first, and I'm going to then place it underneath everything again. Video mask, heart. Okay, you can't see it now, but it's because I have to adjust the size of this one again. And that's pretty much how you can mask texts on CapCut PC. I'm just going to leave it like this. I mean, like that, but yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!